Now, let's be clear, I do not use AI recklessly. That's why I became certified in ethics and compliance. AI is powerful, but like any powerful tool, it comes with responsibilities. Here are the key risks you need to be aware of as a business owner, creator, or consumer. AI is smart, but it's not always right. Let's be clear, AI is a tool, not a brain, not a conscience, and not a decision maker. No matter how advanced your tools are, you must always review and manage AI outputs as a human. Why? Real risks of unsupervised AI use. Hallucinations. AI can hallucinate, which means it confidently gives wrong or made up information. Example, ChatGPT may invent fake statistics, sources, or even imaginary people in a summary if it doesn't have reliable data. Bad sources equals bad info equals misinformation. AI learns from the internet, and the internet is full of outdated, biased, or false data. If your AI pulls from low-quality content, it could pass misinformation into your business, brand, or audience. Bias in decision-making. AI learns from real-world data, which means it can reflect the same biases already present in society. Example, an AI hiring tool may favor certain names, accents, or schools if trained on biased data. Data privacy violations. Many AI tools collect personal data, often without users realizing it. If that data is misused or leaked, the consequences can be serious. Always review privacy policies and avoid feeding sensitive info into AI platforms. AI can recommend illegal actions without realizing it, repeat someone else's content, equaling plagiarism, and reflect bias embedded in the data. Over-reliance on AI. Relying too much on AI can make people lazy in thinking, researching, or creating. AI should enhance your work, not replace your judgment. Job displacement and business disruption. AI is automating tasks fast. Roles that don't evolve with it are at risk. Employees and entrepreneurs who fail to adapt may get left behind. AI can cause real harm without intending to. It cannot always recognize emotional distress or suicidal thoughts. It doesn't know if you're in danger and can't call for help. It may give oversimplified, cold, or harmful responses. It does not understand good or bad, so can lack the skills or humanity necessary to deal with such situations. Example, someone asks, is my life even worth it? The AI might respond with logic or redirect instead of offering real help. AI is not a therapist or a doctor. AI can simulate conversations, offer advice, or even sound compassionate, but it does not have human judgment, emotional intelligence, or medical training. This becomes dangerous when people seek AI for serious issues like mental health, depression, anxiety, trauma, medical emergencies, self-diagnosis, or legal advice. AI cannot diagnose you, make moral or ethical decisions, offer personalized treatment, respond with empathy or intuition like a trained professional. What you should do instead, if you're experiencing mental or emotional distress, always speak to a licensed therapist, counselor, or doctor. Use AI to support, organize, or inspire, not to replace human connection in moments of vulnerability. Also, be sure to add this to your AI disclaimer and you will find it on your downloads. This AI tool is not a substitute for professional medical, legal, or mental health advice. If you are experiencing a crisis, please contact a licensed provider or emergency service. So if you create your own AI tool or you are using AI in some form or some fashion with your audience, with your clients, then this is a good disclaimer to have to protect yourself and your business, and to also make sure that the person using your tool understands. Visit my website to download your free AI Ethics Brand Protection Plug and Play Starter Kit, where I'll provide disclaimers that you can use and also your own personal compliance checklist to ensure that you are complying and protecting your brand as you build with AI. I'm here to teach you how to use it the right way, because although it's powerful, in the wrong hands and used irresponsibly, it can be very dangerous. Use it to build and not break. Please subscribe, turn on your notifications, drop your biggest fear about AI in the comments. I'll try to respond to it. Just know watching from the sidelines isn't going to cut it anymore for your brand or yourself, sis. In this era, either build with AI or get buried by it.